I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Reels and choosing Record or Upload. This is how you capture original audio directly. Record a short clip while speaking or playing sound so Instagram tags it as original. Make sure microphone permission is granted. If you import a video, verify the file contains the desired audio track before you proceed, because once uploaded you'll be editing based on that sound. Once done, trim the clip to the moment you want the audio to anchor the reel. You now refine timing. Tap Edit and use Trim, Align, and Audio controls to preserve the original sound's integrity. Lower clip volume only if you plan to layer music. Otherwise, keep it at 100% so Instagram recognizes and attributes original audio. Use Align to match cuts to beats or speech, and add captions that sync to the audio to improve discoverability. Because Instagram prioritizes identifiable original audio, avoid muting or heavily processed. You're at Publish. Add caption and tags and confirm original audio is still present in the preview, then post. If the audio fails to save as original, troubleshoot by checking mic permissions, re-uploading a higher quality file, and updating the app. Sometimes clearing cache helps. Make sure your sound isn't muted or replaced by Instagram music. If everything is correct, viewers will see an original audio badge and a reusable audio page under your username once live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.